making video for?
For YouTube.
You should not be. This is private business. You should not make it. You can stop at the road down there, not here.
Alright.
Can you move, please?
Yeah, mate. Hey,
What are you doing?
I'm making a video there. Hi everybody, it's PJ here. I haven't even done my intro and people are asking me what I'm doing. I'm at Sportsdirect and we've come to have a look at this massive place. Now I know a few years ago it was in the news a lot about zero contracts and all that kind of stuff, but we've not heard anything in the news about them just lately. So I thought I'd come and have a look at them. Now there are a couple of entrances. This is the HGV entrance here. Obviously where all the trucks come in and out. And as you can see, it is a large depot. It goes from there all the way down and then round there, and they've also got a retail shop further down the road which I'm not bothered about videoing, but it is definitely a large place, and it looks like these two gentlemen might be coming to talk to me. I don't know, maybe not, might be going home, might be home time. What time is it? Oh, it's only 12:30. So as you can see, it is an extremely busy place. Extremely busy. How you doing?
No, we were somewhere.
You what, sorry?
No, we were something.
Got any spare cash?
No.
Oh. Pretty buggered then.
Hey?
Pretty buggered then, really.
Yeah.
I ain't got no spare. You got any spare?
No.
You're trainee security?
Yeah.
Alright, what's it like being a trainee security man?
Alright.
Yeah?
Yeah. You record inside?
I am, mate, yeah.
I'll have to have a word with my boss and just let him know that you're down here.
Alright.
I don't know if it's a problem
I'm
or
not going past security, but I will be flying a drone over in a bit.
Right, okay, I'm going to have to radio it over and let him know.
That's
I
fine.
might have an issue with it, I don't know. It's not...
Well, it don't matter, it's uncontrolled airspace anyway, so,
Yeah.
you know.
I'll have a word with him, see what he says.
Alright, you know that down at the front there, with them big fancy offices where it goes over the road, that's still part of Sportsdirect, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's got a different name on it though.
Yeah. They're together.
Right, and then your shop's got a different name.
Yeah, because there's a bunch of different shops up there.
Oh right, okay.
So it's all one big unit.
Alright, I'm confused now. And it's going to start to rain in a minute, I think.
It's these guys.
Oh, is it?
Fucking lorries, yeah. You always get a bit coming back.
Scruffy buggers, aren't they? Don't spit into the wind. Hey, Shirebrook lads.
No.
Oh, you not know Jason Statham then?
I know of him. I know he was born.
I was born here and lived here as a kid, yeah.
We're going for our dinner break.
Enjoy. Where are you going?
Canteen, get the canteen.
All right. Have a nice one, mate. Couple of decent chaps anyway. Right. He didn't seem bothered as long as I don't actually go onto site. So let's have a walk down a bit further, see what we can see. I thought it would rain, it's not, it's them lads washing wagons down. Definitely a busy site, fork trucks whizzing around everywhere. You need to keep your eyes open here. I wonder if they've got set routes that they've got to follow, like, you know, stay on the left and if you go in one direction and all the rest of it. I don't know. But definitely a lot of fork trucks running around. I don't know what they're loading. Or unloading. Ah, they're probably unloading off that. Yeah, they're unloading off that vehicle there. No idea what they're doing though, what's on them or what's in them. Looks like packaging actually. They must get through a lot of packaging here. And this is the rest of the yard. Now it looks like they've put some temporary accommodation up in the middle there for stock and goods and things like that. How you doing? Hey? What am I doing? Videoing.
Huh?
Videoing.
What for?
So I can make a video?
What will you make a video for?
Because that's what I do. Put them on YouTube.
Huh?
That's what I do. I make videos and stick them on YouTube. Can't hear.
What are you doing here? What company are you?
I'm not a company.
Why you doing video here?
Because I'm making videos for YouTube.
No, you should not.
You what?
You should not be making video on this side.
I can't make videos.
No, this side.
Why is that?
You have to be permitted. You cannot just come around in a company making video.
Why is that?
Hold on.
Well, I can't come down the company making videos, apparently. You've probably seen these draw-by units running up and down the country all the time.
Hello, mate.
Hello?
You're not allowed to get that. You have to go hide it. You can't make it. I'll walk.
Yeah, I'm not going on site.
Therefore, you should not do video here. This is a private company.
What's private?
This is for other.
Oh, all right. Okay, other security guards, they weren't bothered. There you go, they've done one job and they're rushing off to do another. All good stuff. Is he waiting to talk to me or what?
Making video. You should stop at the roundabout. Not here. This is private company.
All right, mate. I'm going to fly a drone over the top in a bit. Container of stuff coming in.
What are you making video for?
For YouTube.
You should not be. This is private business. You should not make it. You can stop at the road down there, not here.
All right.
Can you move, please?
Yeah, mate. You were just on about health and safety and stuff and not wearing
a
IVs. Your man were walking around there with a white shirt on with no
This
IVs.
is private business. You should not come to this side making video. You're not allowed to.
Right.
Yeah?
Oh well. You'll have drone over in a bit anyway.
No, you should not go. You should. This is private. If you stop at the road, you can make. But this is private business. You cannot just come here without authorization.
That's all right. I'm going to fly a drone over and video it all from the air in a bit.
Whatever you're doing, but you're not coming on site without the permission of the management.
Yeah,
Just
I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about flying the drone
Yeah,
over.
If you fly, that's up to you. But what I'm saying is, you cannot just walk through here without anybody knowing you are here.
Well, I have done, obviously.
No, you don't.
I've done it.
Yeah, but you should not do that.
Right, okay.
You should. Yes, man. He's making video.
Hey, up.
Hey, you're right.
I'm fine, mate. How are you?
Yeah, can I help you, anything?
Blimey, you've got some kit on you, haven't you?
It's heavy.
Yeah?
Yeah. What are we doing?
Just making YouTube videos, Dirt.
Of. Have you?
DHL.
got a drone up?
No, not yet.
No. All I was
Drone's
saying about
there.
the drone is that we do have helicopters come to this site, and I've been asked to remind you that as it is a fly zone, if there are drones in the area, then we need to be calling the police.
That's
it's a
fine.
danger to air traffic.
That's fine. Have you got any expected in the near future?
Yes, we do have them in all the time.
All right, okay. It's unrestricted airspace.
Well, then, you know what? I mean, I can see you filming this.
Yeah.
so
Yeah, it's unrestricted airspace, so if I want to fly, I can fly, mate.
Okay, that's fine.
All right.
Absolutely fine.
You know that out front?
Sorry?
You know the front where it's all got the nice staircase and the thing over the front? That's still part of this, isn't it?
The
Further down there.
bridge.
Yeah, well, it's got the bridge over and
Oh,
everything.
yeah, that's what.
Yeah, that's still part of this, isn't it? Yeah. Where have they dragged you from then?
Local.
Local? So you work for these then, do you? Good job.
There you go, thank you.
There you go. Right, let's have a walk around and have a look at the front of the building. It's obviously not very keen on me being here for some reason. Don't know why. Now then, how you doing? Awesome. The helicopter flying around again. Yeah, so that's helicopter flying around. Right, we're going to go around and have a look at the fancy front end of the building. See what that looks like. They've just told me that I can't fly a drone over because the helicopter's coming in.
I'll fly mine.
Yeah, well I'm going to. You've heard the expression dilly gaff, haven't you? Hey? So they've just gone mad because I've walked round to security down there, and they've had. You what, sorry?
Brother's just spoke to you.
Is it your brother?
Lorry. Big lorry.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I'm just going to go down and have a look at front of building now. Yeah, well, you know, there's that. People say to me, come here, go there, this, that and the other. Oh, it's only so many hours in a day.
Yeah.
And, you know, I go out at like 9:30 in the morning, go home about 4:30, 5 o'clock, then I'm video editing until midnight. You know, it's... I can't do everything.
I'll let you go on with your good job. Take care.
Alright, now what's your names?
Shane and Kerry.
Shane and Kerry?
Yeah.
Alright, Shane and Kerry, you'll see yourself on YouTube.
Alright, go on.
Alright, ta-da.
Alright.
Are you Shirebrook people?
Yeah.
Alright, do you know Jason Statham?
Yeah. Yeah.
Seriously?
Yeah.
School when I was
We were at school, yeah.
Alright. What were you like at school?
I didn't really know him all that well.
Who what, sorry?
Yeah, just like ordinary kids, I didn't really know him that well.
Alright.
So, we were at school when I was there.
Ah, there you go.
There you
He's made some money now, hasn't he? You're holding traffic up. See you later.
See ya.
Ta-da. There you go. We knew somebody that went to school to put my teeth in. We now know somebody that went to school with Jason Statham. Yeah, man. Right, let's go and have a look at the front of this building. Right, this is the front of the building. And as you can see, they've got a footpath that goes over the road into the car park. And it is a big car park. We'll get to see it in a minute with the drone. And then it comes all the way down here. And then, we can't see it very well, but looks like they've got some nice offices with like a veranda and somewhere to sit and have a cup of coffee. Let's see if we can zoom in a bit. Not a lot, but it looks like there's benches and things there so you can sit and have a cup of coffee. Now I don't know, it might be a canteen, I don't know, you never know. Right, so let's get the dread drone out and have a look at what's going off. Just look quite fancy at front of building here.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Right then. Shirebrook and Sportsdirect. What a vast array of vehicles. I'm not going to go too high because it is quite windy. So I'm just going to take it nice and steady. It's got to stay so I can see the drone. So, there you go. Look at that. It's a good old site, isn't it? It really is. Loads and loads of vehicles all over. He's that good looking fella just off at roundabout, look. You can see him. There he is, look. Look at all them wagons. I cannot see any... oh, they've got a footbridge over the top, look. That water bowsers for the fire suppression could well be. I can't see any solar panels anywhere, which is a bit of a disappointment. But oh, here we go. Drone's on the blink again. It's that bloody camera. Let's get it back, see if we can sort it. I'm definitely going to have to get in touch with DJI about it.
Landing.
Gimbal motor overload, it says. Alright, let's have a look.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Right, so to be honest, we've mostly had a look at this part of the yard. So let's bring it back. Bring it down a bit. And we'll have a walk round and we'll have a look at the fancy front end of the building, shall we? This does give us a better view of it, to be fair. It does let you see just how bloody big this place is. Let's move it back a little bit. Right, let's take it down and let's have a look at the front of the building, where the bridge is and everything. Strong winds, it says. Let's get it down. There we go. Right, so that's the main entrance. It says Fraser Group for some reason, don't know why. And then if we go a bit further along, we can have a look at those officers, providing the wind doesn't get up anymore. There you go. Canteen, office, I don't know what it is. Anyway, shall we get the dread drone back? It is windy. Hold it there because there's some cars coming. And there we go.
Landing.
We're down. Okay everybody, that concludes our visit to Sportsdirect in Shirley. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, please share, please subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Incidentally, we didn't crash into any helicopters. Like, they're not allowed to fly as low as I fly. So I don't know, what a silly person. Anyway, never mind. Right, catch you in the next one. Bye everybody, see you soon.